Hey, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jadi malam ini rencananya aku sama si bos pengen bikin itu spacer, disc brake, sama bracket clipper yang buat si Ninja biru. Kita mau bikin sendiri rencananya. Tadi udah kita bikin ukurannya. Ukurannya tadi udah kita bikin di bengkel, kita ukur semuanya di bengkel. Ini pokoknya ukurannya kayak gini lah. Kenapa nggak kita bikin di rumah? Karena di rumah tadi nggak cukup kunci buat ngebuka si ini, pokoknya ngebuka piring itulah. Jadi kita bukanya di bengkel. Habis ini kita bakalan gambar si spacernya dulu. Nanti kalau misalnya udah siap spacernya, baru kita tempelin si disc brake-nya, terus kita ukur lagi buat bracket kalipernya. Kalau bisa ribet, ngapain yang gampang. Oke, jadi tadi di bengkel aku lupa ngukur ini lubang yang di disnya. Aku cuma ngukur lubang yang di tromolnya doang. Sekarang kita ukur yang di disnya dulu ya. Nah, ini ukurannya 59. Oke. Ya udah, ini udah kita ukur, jadi udah beres semua. Kita tinggal masangin lagi ke sana yang akan kita desain sekarang.
To the sea for a getaway, car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Close to the sun. forget your names. The tide is high, say goodbye, we set it sail. And all those midnight secrets told, we'll take them to the grave. So when I'm gone, oh when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on. And I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on. And I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone.
Oke, jadi untuk kelas malam ini udah dulu. Kita udah bikin spacernya. Paling besok kalau misalnya udah jadi baru kita videoin lagi. Terus sama pemasangannya, terus sekalian sama pembuatan bracket clippernya sekali lagi ya. Oke, bye.